Dr. Desiree, and this is your A+ Care Tip of the Day. So today we're going to be talking about body mechanics. And body mechanics are important to keep in mind anytime you're lifting something so that you can avoid injury to your back or any other part of your body. So these are particularly important when you're lifting something heavy, but it's good to get into the practice and get into the habit of doing it when you lift anything at all. So the first principle of body mechanics is to maintain a wide base of support. And what that means is that you never want to lift with your feet completely together. You want to make sure your feet are spread at least hip distance apart, maybe even a little bit wider. Tip number 2 is to bend from the knees and not from the waist, trying to keep your back straight. So when you go to lift something, you never want to go like this. That puts a lot of strain on your low back and can definitely lead to injury. Instead, you want to bend from the knees and the waist as you approach an object to pick up. The third principle of body mechanics is to use the strongest muscles to do the lifting. And typically the strongest muscles in your body are the muscles of the thigh, which is why you really want to bend your knees and get down nice and deep. Principle 5 is to carry the object close to your body. So carrying something out here is going to again put a lot of strain on your back and even on your shoulders. So instead keep it nice and close to your waist. And then the 5th principle is to avoid twisting. So instead of twisting from your torso when carrying an object, it's best practice to instead step your feet around. So I'm going to demonstrate that by picking up this object here. So again, I'm starting with the wide base of support. I'm going to bend from my knees as I approach the object, use my strongest muscles of my legs to lift. As I lift the object, I'm going to bring it close to my body and then use my feet instead of my torso to turn around and move the object. And that is your A+ Care Tip of the Day.